Welcome to my channel, Enthusiast Gardener. Today we're diving into the exciting world of transplanting beetroot seedlings. Whether you're new to gardening or looking to refine your skills, this step-by-step guide will ensure your beetroot plants thrive in their new home. Let's get started. After you have carefully and gently removed your beetroot seedlings from the growing container in which they were nurtured, taking great care to ensure that you do not inadvertently damage their delicate and vital root systems, it is important to slowly and methodically separate the seedlings so that each one can be effectively transplanted into its final growing location within the garden. Since beetroot plants thrive best in well-draining soil that is enriched with organic matter, you should take the time to properly prepare your planting location to ensure optimal growth conditions. Additionally, it can be beneficial to use a cane, stick, or similar object to mark a straight line as a guide to follow when transplanting the seedling, ensuring that each one is placed evenly and at the appropriate distance from one another in the garden bed. This careful attention to detail will promote healthy growth and a bountiful harvest. It's advisable to choose a cloudy day or late afternoon to minimize stress on the seedlings. Next, using a dibber or trowel, create holes deep enough to accommodate the beetroot roots. Carefully and gently place each individual seedling along the line that you have marked out previously. Ensure that the roots of each seedling are oriented downward and are neither bent nor crowded together, as this will help promote healthy growth. Always make sure that the crown of plant, where the leaves meet the roots, is level with the soil surface. Don't bury it too deep, and it is important to maintain a distance of approximately 4 to 6 inches between each of the seedlings to allow them adequate space to develop properly without competition for nutrients and resources. To effectively transplant the beetroot seedlings, begin by taking special care to cover them adequately with soil, ensuring that they are thoroughly surrounded and well protected from potential environmental stresses. This process is crucial for the healthy growth of the plants. After you have carefully placed the seedlings into their new resting location in the garden, proceed to gently firm the surrounding soil around them. This step is essential, as it provides the necessary stability and support that the seedlings requires to thrive. While doing this, take your time to ensure that the seedlings are positioned correctly and securely within the soil, which will help to promote strong root development and overall beetroot plant's health. After successfully transplanting the seedlings into the garden, it is advisable to enhance the surrounding topsoil by incorporating some organic matter, such as well-composted chicken manure. This addition of organic material serves to enrich the soil with essential nutrients, thereby creating a fertile environment conducive to the healthy growth of our beetroot seedlings. The infusion of these nutrients will significantly support the seedlings as they develop, ultimately leading to the production of robust and substantial beets that are not only pleasing to the palate, but also cherished by all who enjoy them. By taking these steps, we set the stage for a bountiful harvest that highlights the benefits of thoughtful organic gardening practices. Water thoroughly, but don't flood them. Consistent moisture is key for strong, healthy growth. Congratulations! You've successfully transplanted your beetroot seedlings. Keep the soil consistently moist, and watch them flourish. With proper care and attention, you'll soon enjoy a bountiful harvest of delicious, homegrown organic beetroots. Thanks for joining me in the garden today. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tutorials. Happy gardening!